Hi, my name is Jeffrey Rubin from Testrite. Testrite manufactures telescopic tubing locks for electrometallic tubing, also known as EMT tubing. We have them all the way from 1 1/4 EMT to 1 EMT to 3/4 EMT to half EMT. Now we know that folks are using these locks and EMT tubing for all sorts of structures. And so today we're here to talk to you about some new parts for EMT tubing, which are swivels. Let's jump in. All right, up first is our ball swivel. Now, we're showing it here with a 3/4 EMT tube. So this is something we have off the shelf. Now, if you have quantity and you need something custom for a different tube size, let us know, and we can make the ball swivel for different sizes of EMT tubing. But the one that we stock today works with a 3/4 EMT. It can be either provided with a knob or a hex bolt. You can loosen it. It goes all the way forwards and backwards, and then it has a restricted from the side to side. Then once you get in the exact position you want, you tighten with the knob. Now up next is our tube end swivel. Again, this is shown with 3/4 EMT tubing. Each swivel comes with two halves, two parts. They are die casts, and there are set teeth, set positions for where this can reach. So you can pick any set position you want, and then you can tighten the knob to secure the swivel. You could use a carriage bolt if you'd prefer as well. Each half of the swivel includes a female thread to accept a 1/4 20 screw from the outside. So it's a very easy way to connect two 3/4 EMTs together at adjustable angle. Now shown here are used swivels for 3/4 EMT tubing. Now we can make these for other EMT tubing sizes. So if you have a specific project, you need 50 to 100 of these or even more, let us know and we can make them. There are two different styles we have available. One allows for continuous adjustment. The downside there is you can potentially get slipping if it's not fully tightened. Or we have fixed rotational sizes. So on the fixed rotation example, you can either use a steel retention pin or you can use a bolt and nut if it's a fixed application. You'll simply drill a hole through the tube for the main bolt, and then one more hole which will follow. So wherever you angle it, the holes will align, and you either push your bolt or your steel retention pin right through the tube. Now this next swivel example hails from our photographic heritage. Testrite's been manufacturing hardware for the photographic industry for 70 plus years. Now this is a swivel clamp. So this clamps around a 1 EMT tube, and then there's actually a ball swivel. It secures with a wing nut, and this can be made with a female thread, a male thread. We make these in-house on our own automatic screw machining tools, and we stamp out these clamp sides ourselves. So if you need something like this and you need 50 to 100 units, let us know exactly what you need and we're happy to quote it. Now this next example is a casting. It has a opening in the middle for a 3/4 EMT tube, optional Allen screw, and then you can put 1 EMT on either side. So if I rotate this here, you'll see if I hold the ends, the 1 EMTs, that the centerpiece can swivel around on you. Testrite is a 102-year-old American manufacturer. Hopefully you found something in this video you like. If you need 100 or more, even if it's not exactly what's been on this video, you need something custom, please reach out to us on our website, www.testriteoem.com. We will be adding some of these components available for purchase on our website under the shop online in the next few days and weeks. So please look there for smaller orders. Thanks and have a great day.